Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Sketchman Draws. So today for HANNAH BARBERA month, I'm going to draw Birdman, and the reference image is actually something I found on Pinterest, and I didn't realize that this was actually a sketch colored with markers made by Steve Rude, which is a really great artist. And so I'm going to use the pencil because I'm going to need a little bit more planning for this, because it's a much more complicated, like anatomically humanoid, of course, like human character. So I'm just going to need more of a planning, let's say. So I'm going to start with the head. I'm going to place a ball here. Okay, somewhere here. And I'm going to follow okay, so I can imagine the backbone must be here, and it should go until the pelvis here, and then I can imagine his left leg somewhere here. His right leg is bent like this, and then his so we have his neck, and then his arms. So his right arm is here, and then his left arm this way. And just roughing out the wings. So just to make sure that I get that, you know, that initial gesture actually. So let's see if I can use this and actually ink. So there are tutorials on my channel how to draw a head, so please check that out. And actually, like, just the idea of drawing Birdman, just like, you know, I sort of started to remember the intro, the Birdman scream, really iconic, and of course selfishly nostalgic for me. So I'm drawing this domino mask and this kind of shell for his helmet. Like, these designs are really amazing. Like, I don't know if Alex Toth worked on Birdman. I know he designed Space Ghost, but I wonder if anybody knows. Let me know. And again, it's just using that, and then drawing over the simplified anatomy, but correct anatomy, but oh, I feel like yeah, this happens. I drew the arm too small, too short actually. This is going to take a while. I mean, so let me know what are your favorite characters from the HANNAH BARBERA catalog, from their universe, and what are your like happy memories. Like I think the intros, which is why, like, I'm sure I'm not the only one who actually goes on YouTube and looks for the intro of the shows that I, you know, grew up watching, because that was like almost like a we associate immediately of the show that we're going to see, even if it's like reruns, because I mean I would notice, oh, I've seen this episode, but I'm going to watch it again because it's so and it did, I mean I don't think it's intentional, but they didn't take it that seriously. Like they didn't take themselves so seriously. So because now I feel like everything is trying to be very serious, and I mean except for really young children, of course, but the others I feel like, yeah. So I'm kind of going off the rails here. Needless to say, there is a lot of Jack Kirby influence. Like I at some point I'll cover the How to Draw Comics the Marvel Way book, and you just you can see it in the anatomy, the foot, the way the foot is drawn, and so on, like the influence of John Buscema, and also I'm not I love Batman, but I mean I'm more of like the as I grow older and I try to do comics, I'm more like an artist fan than the character fan. Like yeah, when you're young, you're of course a character fan because you don't know that there is an actual person drawing this, right? And of course, then I don't think anybody asked me to draw. I just started drawing, and then when you realize, like, oh, there are people actually getting paid to do this. going way over 20 minutes, but yeah, I'm going to stop here. Like, I don't think I got the, I think I got the posture almost right, but I think the shoulders, I got the shoulders too small. The waist, yeah, they're definitely too small. But on the overall, I kind of feel like I did my own version of the Birdman, which I'm really happy about that. So yeah, that was me drawing Birdman, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave in the comment section below. And as always, this is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.